Hi friends, so today we are going to solve question number 36 from SAT practice test 3. Let's read the question. In the xy plane, if a point with coordinates AB lies in the solution set of the system of inequalities above. So this is the system of inequalities, and what we need to find is the maximum possible value of B. Okay, so it is given as that the solution set for these two equations has a point A comma B, and we need to find the maximum possible value of B. So friends, if we look at these equations, we can see that it is an equal to sign given with greater than equal to, right? So this means that the solution will lie on the line itself, right? Because we can include those points. So this is very simple question. We just need to find the point of intersection, and when we will be able to find the point of intersection, that is x comma y, we can just replace x comma y with a comma b. So the y value which we will find out in this case would be equal to the b value, and that will be the maximum possible value of b. So let's try to solve this question. Y is equal to minus 15x plus 3000, because we need to find the intersection point. So we'll, instead of greater than equal to, we'll just substitute with equal to. Y is equal to 5x, and we'll just solve this equation. So solving this equation, what we'll get is, we'll just substitute y is equal to in the first equation. So we'll get is 20x is equal to 3000, right? And x we'll get is equal to 150, and from here we can find out the value of y, because what we need to find out is the value of y. So y will be equal to 150 into 5, that is equal to 750, right friends? So this is pretty easy question, and we just need to remember how to solve this question, the concept behind it. That is very simple. Whenever there is an equal to sign given along with greater than equal to, we can say that to find the maximum possible value of the y coordinate, we just have to find the intersection point of that line. Thank you friends.